Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This is a wig review for a company called SVT Hair, and this is a company that I have worked with in the past. Their hair is really good. It's really affordable, and it's also usually really good quality. So the unit that I have today is a bob. It's the inch water wave, and it's really beautiful. I did bleach the knots, and the unit did come pre-plucked, so I did not pluck any of the baby hair, any of the hair from the hairline. This is exactly the way that it came. The unit was a little bit small for me. I think it's because the size that I got. Next time I would definitely get a large. I got a medium this time. The medium was fine though, because once it, got positioned on my head, it did work out just fine. My problem was, as you can see, I didn't braid down my hair. I literally just put it in a ponytail. So if you braid your hair down, you should have no problems at all. So to lay this unit down, I did use my same method that I always use. It's Got to Be Glued gel in the yellow bottle and my Lock It hairspray by L'Oreal. Then I also use my Glee Made baby hair scarf. If you'd like to grab one, they are available on my website for $8. You can go ahead and click the link in the information box down below, and that's where you can find the baby hair scarf. So to go ahead and style this unit, I did just use my water bottle. That's just regular water. I finger combed the hair with the water bottle, and I also used my mousse. It's a part of the same collection from L'Oreal. It's the styling mousse. You can find that in your local CVS, Walgreens, Walmart. It's not expensive. All the L'Oreal hair styling products are under like $6. So it's definitely affordable. Yes, I just used both water and styling mousse to style this unit. On my baby hairs, my edges, I went ahead and used the Style Factor in the strawberry flavor. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all it took to slay this unit. Once I had the unit on my head, I did notice that the unit was slightly like asymmetrical. So it's a little bit longer in the front and shorter in the back, which I thought was super duper pretty. I love the way that it ended up looking. I did go ahead and trim the hair up just a little bit so that it was nice and even, and it just had a really good shape. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This unit was so easy to style and slay. It's really an effortless unit. If you want to purchase this unit, I will leave the purchase link in the information box down below. And yeah, if you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. You turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.